Griffin, where are you going to eat your cake?
Over in the basket.
You're going to eat the cake in the basket? That's silly. Do you think Dakota wants to eat your cake? How about McCarty?
What about Grandma?
Does Grandma want to eat your cake?
No.
What about Nikki?
Nikki not eating cake.
That is the silliest thing I've ever heard, isn't it?
What about...
Griffin, can you tell me what you held today?
I hold a spider.
You held a spider?
I liked it.
You like the spider?
What was the spider's name?
What was her name? Rosie.
See.
Tell me, what was her name?
Rosie.
Her name was Rosie. How'd you hold her? Did you hold her on your nose?
No.
How'd you hold her? Show me.
Did this?
You held her on your hands?
Put it in my cake.
The spider will eat your cake? What did the spider do on your hand?
Turn around and eat my cake.
Turned around and ate your cake? What did Grandma do when she saw the spider? Show me. What did Grandma do? Did Grandma say, "Oh, a pretty spider"? Let's not throw chocolate chips on the floor. No, that will make the dog sick. Griffin, what did Grandma do when she saw the spider?
Say,
What did she do?
Oh, fader.
I said, "Oh, pretty spider." Was that what Grandma did?
She said, "Oh, pretty spider." No, she didn't. Okay, are you ready? We're going to go take a birthday bath. And this year we're going to click like last year. Ready? Let's practice. Oh! That was red ladybug cake on the floor. Let's not give it back to him.
Okay. Grandma, take cake.
No.
Bye-bye, cake. I'm sorry Griffin knocked you over, cake. What a mess. Oh, okay. Bye.